All right, guys. So today, this is the last day in Poland, and we're going to do a little bit crazy challenge. So I don't know how this gonna be. I'm a little bit nervous, excited. So both things mix, because we going to. Honestly, I love Polish food. It's delicious, but today we're going to try some. I don't know what we should say. Bad taste or like not good taste. So some typical food which is not mostly like a lot of people eat. So I'm just going to try that. So we call it food challenge. So we're just gonna try. I don't know, there are like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, I think nine things. So ready for me. So I gonna try. So I don't know, let's see. Okay guys, so we have all the tables set up here. So I need to try. I got the waters just in case. Okay, but I don't have to eat all, yeah? I just need to try. Okay, so where are we starting? All right. Ooh.
Choose something.
I don't know. Tell me where are we starting.
Let's choose, and you will have to read the name of this product.
Okay, so I think let's start from this side then. Oh my God, I'm scared. Okay, this is paprikas. Yeah, so sorry guys, paprikas. I gonna show on the camera. So what is this? Here you go. It's hard to read. Oh my God. I'm shaking. Okay. So is this enough? This is not bad actually. I was scared. This is okay. Somehow I didn't know even. I just selected random. So
this is pasta with salmon, rice, and paprika.
okay. So not bad. One is done.
Okay.
Next, we're gonna I think start from here to there then obviously. Okay, Polonaise, Korza? What is called? I don't know.
Shan.
Okay, you heard the lady. So, Kushant. Here you go, guys. So I'm trying to read in English way how to, this. All right. Okay. Oh my God, this is I don't know. Woo. This is like a garlic, like pure garlic. I shouldn't smell actually. Next time, I'm not gonna smell it, Oh, honestly, I was scared, but that's so fine. No, I'm scared this time. Ooh, that's enough, I think. Ooh. I'm not gonna smell any of this now, this time.
It's like wasabi, Rana.
Still alive.
It's a horseradish.
Yes. Yeah, I can see the picture. I didn't know. Okay.
Okay.
Right. It was a little bit like crunch in the beginning, then it was fine. So next, I don't know, woda.
Woda z ogórków kiszonych.
Okay, you telling the name. I don't know. Okay, I need to drink this.
Yes.
All right. Okay, this is better. Okay.
You know what is it?
No.
Anything?
No, it's look like some lemon. I don't know.
Okay, it's like the water from pickled cucumber.
Okay. Yes. I taste actually, I was thinking is, you know, the gherkins. So the taste come like, look like, you know, you taste like gherkins. So, okay. 3 done. Next. Next look like garlic or onion. I don't know. Small onion. Kapulka. Guys, you can read it, you know, like, so it's hard to pronounce for me. So what we call this?
Cebulka marynowana.
Okay, yes, that one, you know. All right, so ready? It's okay.
So what is it?
Not scary. It's all right. I like these taste.
Do you know what is it?
No.
It's like pickled little onion.
Okay, yeah, that's look like a little onion. I don't know what is it. So it's like onion pickles or something. Okay, guys. So see, onion pickles. I can eat one this. I like pickles. 4 gone. All right. What is next? This one? Kapusta something?
Kiszona.
Kishona. Kapusta kishona. Okay. This look like salad. Don't underestimate sometime, you know. It's not salad? No? No, I need to have water. Oh, I don't know.
This is sauerkraut.
Sour? Okay. Because as I said, like it look like salad. Don't underestimate. I knew it. This is gonna be okay. This one and this one, they both were like harsh. So third one, I mean 3 to 5 gone. 5 left? 4 left, yeah? Okay, so what is this? Sleds Marinovani something.
Perfect.
Okay. Sleds Marovani something. Alright. So I'm trying this piece and with this. Or I'm trying separate.
Separate maybe.
Okay, so this is, I think this other one is a fish. Okay, that's sweet. I don't like to eat fish like this. I'm gonna do today. Whole piece? No, okay.
It's not bad.
Okay, so this is done. It wasn't bad actually. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is also to try something?
Yes, maybe in the end.
In the end, okay. So what is next? This one?
Okay.
So, oops, what is that? What is that? This is something, you guys can see this. So this is something, okay. Hi Sarah. Daddy doing food challenge.
I know that.
Okay. So this is drazik or something. Okay. So need to eat one. Okay, this one is fine. It's nice actually. Something nice I should try at the end. This one. Okay. All right. Next. This. I don't know. This one. Ziko tubka something. I don't know.
Czekotubka.
Czekotubka. Okay. Oh. Okay. I think it is gonna be a little bit hard. Should I try on the spoon? Ooh. Sorry, you want to try? You can't. Okay, wait. It's not your yogurt.
I know. Just take it.
That was nice. So you scared me. Okay. So what is this? Small? It's some chocolate toffee.
It's very typical Polish
Okay.
candy.
Kroka optowiska something.
Almost.
Kroka optowiska something, you know, almost kroka.
Both of you, Kitty.
Okay. So this is toffee. Toffee time. Toffee time. This is like barfi. In Pakistan we have a barfi, khoe wali barfi. You want to try this? Sweet?
Wait, I have to see if it can.
Okay. So far good.
Yeah.
There you go. It's fine, it's chocolate. Alright, so this is the last thing. Maslanka. Okay, maslanka. Maslanka. Is it like milk or what?
Kind of. Don't
Okay.
smell.
Don't smell? So I think that's a bad choice to keep it at the end. Yeah. Okay, you scared me now like you don't smell so.
No, just drink it and try. Maybe you're gonna like it. You like weird things.
I like weird things, so let's see. Not scary, it's okay. We have a lassi.
No, mango lassi is better.
No mango lassi, but normal lassi is like this.
Ah, so you like it.
It's a buttermilk.
Yeah, this is fine. This is we can drink. We drink in the village. It is
So what
fine.
did you don't like?
We done this, so this one was a little bit hard, and this one,
What is that?
these two,
Kapustaki.
and
Kapustaki,
yeah,
szana.
these two were hard. I think other than that,
What
they were
about
fun.
this paprika szczeciński?
This one?
This rice with
This one was
salmon?
fine.
And what about this water? What you have in your
No,
cup?
water is also okay. And this is obviously, you know, this is kind of your fish. I don't like, but it wasn't bad, you know, like. So.
What about the sweets, the corsage?
This one okay.
And choco tubka?
What is choco?
Oh,
this one?
Rana was scared.
This one is okay. I was scared. I thought like, I don't know. Then this one is also okay.
So we can travel back home now, yeah?
Yeah, we can travel back. It's no big deal. So it's fine. Okay guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. These were the like kind of little bit, you know, not like food which is like very popular. We can say that way maybe. So it wasn't that bad. We just tried like, you know, so special thanks to Kinga. She made all these efforts. So I hope you guys enjoy with us. And I enjoyed. It was good. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.